costumes today. I could only find this one. Oh no. This was used for my Pennywise costume. It is perfect, but I kind of wanted to do a different clown today. Something out of my own imagination. I know I probably have a lot of clown makeups, but they're the most fun and the most scary. So, let's do another one. Sometimes I think the most classic clowns can be the scariest, without having to draw a bunch of teeth on your face or anything like that. So, let's explore that, shall we? I'm going to be using Maron's Paradise paints. I have a classic palette, and I have the pastel palette, and then I have two larger standalone Paradise paints in black and white. Taking an old makeup sponge, and I'm going to rip off the flat edge in little bits so it gives me texture. I'm a fan of having texture when you're putting on a base coat, like white base, so it looks speckled and like kind of worn off, and that'll work especially well for a clown. Because we're going classic clown, but I still want to make the makeup look aged a bit. So we've got a nice texture going on. I'm gonna go wet this. Nice and wet. I'm also using a spray bottle, because I find it makes it a little bit easier. Now I'm gonna base out my entire face in white real quick. Now, I kind of want to make my skin look a little bit more wrinkled and furrowed and things like that. So going in with my Morphe palette in the neutral shades, I'm gonna take this shade right here and I'm gonna scrunch my face. And I'm gonna scrunch my face, I'm gonna dust it on top. So you're using your own features to make this successfully more creepy. Now we're gonna take some red tones and we're gonna redden around certain places to make the skin look a little bit more blotchy. Okay. First, I'm going to draw the outline for the eyes and the mouth. Yes, bitch. Yes. Now I'm going to take red from the basic palette here, and I'm gonna outline the mouth and the eyes. I know what you're thinking. These are very crisp lines and doesn't go with the rest. Don't you worry. We're gonna dirty them up. Yeah. Gonna wet it a little bit. We're gonna break up some of those edges. We don't care if we get this a little dirty. In fact, I might go dirty it up a little bit when we're done. Next, we're gonna do the nose with that same red body paint. We're getting creepier. And I'm just using black body paint to make a thick strip across the eye, and then we'll come down from the top with a straight line. We'll make it a little wider on either side. We're going to do a very messy outline. We're not done yet. I want to tightline the black on the top of my eyelids and then go white on the bottom waterline. We look beautiful. And I'm gonna re-add my neck piece. And who said classic clowns cannot be creepy? 'Cause I feel quite creepy. Now, suppose you want to go the extra mile. You could add some Ben Nye tooth paint. And maybe a spatter of blood. Thank you so much for watching, commenting, and subscribing. And if you haven't done so already, get on it, get on in it. And as usual, stay fucking spooky, friends. Stay fucking spooky, friends. I